Alright, and welcome back again, guys. Today, it is part 2 of the turn this playhouse into a chicken coop. So, today we are taking the table out of here and maybe getting some flooring in, or maybe some wire, some sticks. I'm not sure what we're doing. Maybe that's a roost. Who knows? But first, we need to take this out. Now, I've already taken 2 out, and they've been a problem. And this is what's been happening right here. They've been snapping. So I'm not sure how to avoid that. I'm using a 10mm bit and a ratchet set and just spinning them out. The bugs are really bad here today. I'm not sure if you can see them, but they're all over me. So let's see. Man, these bugs are bad. Alright, so I wish these things came out easier. This one just doesn't want to come out. So I'll try the next one down. And almost there. Let's see. So I think I'm going to try using the Leatherman that I mentioned in the first video, Leatherman Super Tool, and try and pull these things out. There we go. See? They're constantly... Sorry. Knocking the camera around. Constantly hitting the... snapping the bolts and just breaking them. Let's see if I can get this one out. There we go. That's number 2. Actually, number 4. So, now, that section's free. I'm heading over to this side of the house. Once I move those sticks, I should be able to get those 4 out at the middle. So, and there we go. Man, these bugs are the midgets. Fairly nice day in Ireland here today, but it's quite muggy and buggy. So, it's warmest day so far this year. Almost 80 degrees Fahrenheit, so fairly warm for over here. Let's see. There we go. Let's just grab it. I don't know if I snapped this one or not. Yeah, I've snapped this one again. There we go. So as you can see, we're just going to take this down, and then we're going to move the table. And that'll be part 3, is putting boards or sticks or wire across there, or it's taking off the stairs, or it's cutting it down. So not sure which one it'll be yet. Leave it in the comments below what you think I should be doing next, and see if I can do it, as long as there's not so many bugs. I mean, look at all these bugs on the camera. Alright, well, I will be coming back to you probably later today, or maybe tomorrow, depending on how bad the bugs are. And till next time, see you later. Thanks for watching.